My signature recipe is the solution for your midnight cravings. So let's make paneer rolls. For that, we have to cut onions, coriander, some chilies, and some corn. Just screenshot this and we move towards the pan. First we put some butter, then saute the onion till it becomes golden brown. Add the spices, chilies, and the most important ingredient, paneer. I've used ginger to enhance the taste. Then comes in the sauce. Saute it well till the color changes, and then add salt to taste. Add corns and then simmer for 5 minutes. When you open the lid, your mixture will look like this. Tasty, right? And now we assemble it together. First I've used pizza pasta sauce and then some mayonnaise. Mix it and spread it thoroughly. Now we add our mixture and on top of it some cheese. Who doesn't like cheese, right? And as someone says, if it's not tight, it's not right. Now we go for plating. I've used 3 rolls, some sauce, and coriander for garnishing. And here our dish is ready. Paneer rolls. Enjoy! Don't forget the Coke.
So, welcome to my podcast. Welcome to our podcast.
वो मेरा
Cheers. As you can see guys, सुबह के 5 बज रहे हैं.
अभी अभी हमने हमारा शूट खत्म किया है और माइक कहाँ गया?
Yes. माइक बंद कर दिया.
You don't need mic for better content. Good content.